Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's been it's it's been it's it's been quite a while since I last uploaded anything, but I'm back, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to expand your images using Firefly. So the first thing you're gonna do is you just go to your browser and then type Firefly. Yeah, Adobe Firefly, and then just get into Firefly. So it's probably gonna look like this. So you're gonna just say create with Firefly, and yeah, from here on, just click here on image and scroll down, and we're gonna click on generate, expand, and here you're just gonna click on upload image. You're gonna use the image which you would like to use. So for me, I'm gonna be using this image right here. So yeah, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna click here on expand, and you're gonna decide on how big you want the image to be, how big you want the expansion to be. So I'm just gonna do this, and yeah, I want it about at least this big. So now that we're done with that, or you can choose like what you want. You can either choose like a square, yeah, widescreen, portrait. Yeah, so now that I decided on how big I want it to be, just gonna click on generate, and it's gonna start expanding. Yeah, so there we go. It is done. So yeah, now you just gotta see how good it looks. And to be honest, this looks really good. This looks incredible. I don't normally use AI, but like I just decided from here on I might as well just use it, because it makes sure it works so much easier. I mean, look at how good this looks. It looks incredible. So let's say you didn't like what you see, you could like choose another one. You could like check here, and then it shows a different option. So in case you didn't like the first one, you can always check the second one, and still looks really good. There's so much detail in this. It looks beautiful. Like, yeah, there's so much detail in everything. And let's check the third one. The third one, okay, the third one still looks good. Still like it. Yeah,